So the ingredients are about 5 to 6 potatoes. You can leave the skin on if you want, but I like to peel it since I have always eaten them like this. Half of an onion, it's about a medium-sized onion, some salt and some cooking oil, whatever oil you're going to use, some sunflower seed oil, butter, doesn't really matter. I'm going to use some olive oil. Let's do this. So first of all, I'm going to cut up the onion. First I'm going to peel it, of course. Remove the dirty bit, couple of slices horizontally, watch out for your fingers, then a couple vertically, and then just chop it up. There you go, nice and fine. Put it in a bowl and set it aside. Then we're going to slice up the potatoes into fry shapes. You can slice them up in any shape you like, but I like them to be that way. So first in half, then the half in half again, turned around and give it a couple of slices vertically, and there you have your fries. And repeat the process until you have cut up all of the potatoes. So there we go. Now just put them in a bowl or whatever, and then we can start frying. So once you've cut up all of the potatoes, make sure that they are roughly the same size. That way they'll cook nice and even. Take a pan, put it on the fire, put some cooking oil in there and let it get hot. So once the oil is hot, put your fire on about medium and put in your potatoes. Give them a good stir so that they are nice and coated with the oil. Take a lid, if you have one that's big enough for your pan, or you can also use aluminum foil like we do, and just cover the pan. And now you just repeat the process. Let your potatoes fry for about a minute or two, then give them a good stir and let them fry for another minute or two. So, once the potatoes are halfway done, you can check by taking the fattest fry and just poking your spatula through it. If it roughly goes through it, it's time to add the onions. Just add the onion all over the place. It smells good. Give your potatoes a real good stir, that the onion is nice and distributed. Give it a light season with some salt. Make sure not to over salt it, because you can always add salt at the end. Give it another good stir, and now cover your potatoes back up with the lid. Now just let them cook until your potatoes and onions are done. Alright, about 5 minutes later. Oh yes, they're done.